In round 3, we're going to increase again. Start by working 1 single crochet in the first stitch. Insert your hook and yarn over, pulling up a loop. Yarn over, pull through both loops. Then work 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Let's repeat that pattern. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochets in the next stitch. Repeat that pattern 4 more times and I'll meet you back here. When you've completed round 3, move your stitch marker from the last stitch in round 2 to the last stitch in round 3 so that you don't lose your place. Count your stitches. You should have 24 in this round.